SleekFlow's Contact Details panel provides you with powerful features to manage and organize your customer interactions effectively. One of these features is the ability to add labels to sort and categorize important customers in your inbox. To add labels to a contact, click on the information icon next to the collaborator icon in the Contact Details panel. Scroll down to the Labels column. To create a new label, click on the plus icon. Type your desired label name into the input box of the label module. Select Create New Label to create the new label. Alternatively, if you have existing labels, you can select them by ticking their respective boxes. Once you have added labels to your contacts, you can filter conversations by their labels using the Staff View selector. Here's how to do it. Click on the filter icon located next to the sort icon at the top of the search bar. Then, click on Labels to filter conversations based on the labels assigned to them. By utilizing the Contact Details panel and Labels feature, you can easily organize and prioritize your customer interactions, ensuring that important customers receive the attention they deserve.